Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we would be discussing about public groups in Salesforce, how to create them and where it is used and how we can use it. So these three concepts we would be discussing in this video. So after you open your browser, just go to hands-on.org and open a Salesforce instance to know what exactly we are going to do. So I am here. So let me open this one for now. So basically just try to understand what exactly a public group is. So basically public group is, let's say what is a group? Group is nothing but a, small number of people or small number of entities is called a group. So when we say public group, that itself it is going to describe like there would be this group is visible to all or everyone. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a group and adding some set of users so that we can share any set of records or reports or any specific important data with that group of peoples. That can be achieved through public groups. So that is why we are going to use public groups in the Salesforce. So basically what happens if you want to create a public group, so let's assume a scenario. There is a dashboard here, or let's say there is all folders here. So you want to share it with the people. So how you will share it? You can share with the users, you can share with the roles, you can share with the roles and subordinates, and you can share with the public groups. So you know what is role? Role is a hierarchy based, hierarchy based access giving thing, and roles and subordinates people with a with manager and their subordinates, and public groups is something we are going to create. Let me show you what exactly this is. So these are all the roles. So role is basically an optional when creating a profile, but it is recommended to enter. And when I click on roles and subordinates, if I select this one, entire organization will come into the picture. But if I only select role, only that role candidates can see this folder. And next, public groups. We would be creating public groups now, and I will show you how. When you click on all internal users, it would be visible to everyone. But you want to make this folder visible to only specific people, then you will create a public group. So just create a duplicate of this, and then here I'm going to click on here setup. So being an admin and or developer, you will leave in setup only. You will visit to the front end just like a guest. Just go here, search for something called public groups. Just click on public groups. So this public group is used whenever you want to share some sensitive information or share some specific records with a team or with any user. So just click on new here and label them as test public group, and then whom you want to add. I want to add users, or you want to add roles and subordinates, or you want to add roles. So in this way you can select it. For now I'm going to select users. So I want to add these two users to the selected members. Let's see if I can save it, because these two are different licenses, not Salesforce one. But let me click on save. I just clicked on save here. Yeah, I was able to create a public group here. So if you see, this is the public group that we are created called test public group. So who are the people we have added? We have added two people. One is integration user and another one is security user. Integration user and security user. So this is when you are going to add users, but you can add roles and subordinates also, but not profiles. So there is no option of profiles. So if you want that to be shared with profiles, so you need to go to a concept called permission sets again. So this is how it works. On the role level and user level, you need to go with public groups. In profile level, you can go with the permission set. Even in the user level also, you can go with the permission set. So this is how it works. And then let me end this and show you this one. So we have created a duplicate of this, right? I just refreshed it here. So when I refresh, let me click on share. Let me select public groups. If you see, we were able to see a separate group called public group. So this is the public group that we have created recently. So if I select this test public group, then the integration user and security user can see this folder. So this is the reason why we create a public group and how we can use the public groups when sharing the data is needed. So what you can do is you can also try to create 1 or 2 public groups after this video and then try to share any folder, reports or dashboards or a list view. You can share multiple things to a test public group, and make sure you cannot add profiles in the public groups, but you can add users, roles and subordinates, and public groups. When I mention public groups, it's like a group under a group, a nested public group. That is what I meant. So you can use in that way as well. Let me show you if that is possible for me. Let me click on edit. Not here. Go with the public groups, create new. So there is a public group. You can add entire group as well. So this is a good good learning for us. So I think that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing more information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.